All right, guys, here picking up the Daytona here at BRUHY Body and Paint. We got in a hit and run, as some of you guys know, a couple weeks ago, or a month and a half ago actually, and I can't believe it. Once the insurance got through, he fixed it in less than a week, and I just couldn't believe it. It looks great in the pictures, and let's see how it is in real life. BRUHY Body and Paint. There it is. So Nick's over here about to put the stickers on. I want the Daytona on for sure, and we'll see about the rest of the fender stickers. But that hood just looks so clean. The top of it, I just do not want to mess up that stripe. Wimbledon white with M5 Arctic frozen blue. Like I said, he had to custom match this paint to match it to the rest of the body, and you can't even tell. Even added some resin under here where it was cracking because of slamming the hood and everything. A couple rock chips in here. Got it all fixed. And let me tell you what, I'm not going to tell you what he charged, but what he charged the insurance company, luckily I caught the guy, got his insurance, and he had up-to-date insurance. But what he charged me, I would have been happy to pay out of pocket for this quality of work.
Just some application film. Just slide it around and get it right.
Yeah, a little bit higher than that.
Well, it'll let you slide it around. So where you gotta be?
Inch and a quarter's gotta go your way.
A lot.
All right, so we're gonna put all the fender stickers on, but leave the top of the hood nice and clean. All right, so got the exact stickers that I wanted on it and off of it when I bought the car. Just won the fender stickers on the top of the hood nice and clean. So we got rid of the red stickers here, got rid of the bubble and the 15, because I really wanted, when you're looking in from the front, I wanted it to look real clean, show off the stripe, and then from the side, wanted it more period correct. So we moved the Daytona down and over a little bit and tried to center the day right over the fender vent there. Now from the original Daytonas, they had the Daytona here, and it was a little bit different, but I figured instead of having all of them right there, if we had two, instead of three stacked on top of each other, kind of makes the hood a little bit longer. Only thing I wish I didn't have the American flags. Love the American flag, but it looks a little bit busy on this car. There's my historic plate.